Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let us evaluate this function. This is integration, and we shall use integration by parts to solve this function. That integrate x sine x dx. So for us to solve this function, we will use integration by parts, whereby the integral of u d phi equals to u phi minus the integral of phi du. So this is the formula of integrating a function by parts, that the integral of u d phi equals to u phi minus the integral of phi du. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I can let my u be x, so I will let my u to be x. So if my u is x, what is the u over dx? If we differentiate this, we will get 1. Now, what is du alone? I multiply by dx on both sides and I shall obtain my du as dx. Now, ladies and gentlemen, since we have u and we have our du, let us also obtain phi. Now, for us to obtain phi, we can let our d phi be the remaining part, that is, d phi will also be sine x dx, that is from here, sine x dx. So for us to find phi, we shall integrate on both sides. We shall integrate d phi, and also we shall integrate sine x with respect to dx. So if we integrate on both sides, we shall obtain our phi as, if you integrate sine, remember sine is a trigonometric function. If you integrate sine, you will obtain negative. If you integrate sine, you will obtain negative cosine. If you integrate sine, you will obtain negative cosine. Therefore, I will write negative cos x. So I will have negative cos x. Then we have, we shall just have a constant here. But there is no need of writing that constant, since we shall just write at the end of this. So there is no need of writing that constant. So because it will still be at the end of this. So we shall now write u phi, that is our u as x. So we shall have x, then what is our phi? Our phi is just negative cos x. Therefore, that was why I was saying that there is no need of writing this c here. There is no need of writing that c, because we shall write it at the end of this. So there is no need of writing that c here. So let us just write u times phi, that is x times negative cosine x. So we shall have negative x cos x. That is what we shall have. Then minus the integral of phi du. What is phi? Our phi is just negative cosine x. So if I have negative cos x as my phi, because this is our phi, then du will be dx. Du will be dx. So we shall write dx here. So this one, we shall have negative x cos x. So since I have two negatives here, then it will be positive, the integral of cos x dx. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this one now will be negative x cos x, then plus, what is the integral of cosine? What is the integral of cosine? What is the integral of cosine? The integral of cosine is just a positive sign. If you integrate cosine, you will get positive sign. Therefore, we shall have sine x, then plus a constant c. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can evaluate this function. That is how you can evaluate this function that evaluate this. So you will just let u to be this, and you can let dphi to be this. Then you proceed to find du alone. So du over dx is 1, and therefore du will be dx if you multiply by dx on both sides. Then after obtaining du, we will also let our d phi to be sine x dx, and this is what we have. Then integrate on both sides to obtain phi. So if you integrate on both sides to obtain v, if you integrate sine x, you will get negative cos x. Then I had said earlier that there is no need of writing plus c here, because at the end of this you shall write c. Therefore, after obtaining phi, then come to substitute in our formula here that we shall have u times phi. So our u is x, and this is what we have. Then our phi is just negative cosine x, negative cos x. So if you say x times negative cos x, I will bring that negative here, then I will have x cos x. Then minus the integral of phi du, minus the integral of, this is our phi, and our du is dx. Therefore, if I have a negative and a negative, it will be positive. Then, if I integrate cos x, I will have positive sine x. And therefore, I will write negative x cos x plus sine x, then plus now a constant c. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can integrate by parts this function. So, how I wish that you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could like, share, and comment. Thank you.